This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain changing the wheel on a Logitech G923. The Logitech G923 racing wheel is not designed for user-replaceable wheels, making direct swaps impossible. Attempting to disassemble the unit will immediately void your warranty and carries significant risks of damaging delicate internal components. Any modification would require specialized tools and a high level of technical skill. As the wheel is an integrated part of the force feedback system, it's a complex undertaking with many potential pitfalls. The primary reason for this difficulty lies in the G923's integrated design. Unlike some higher-end racing wheels, the wheel rim is permanently attached to the force feedback motor shaft. There are no quick-release mechanisms or standard bolt patterns that would allow for easy attachment of aftermarket wheels. Furthermore, the internal wiring for all the buttons, paddle shifters, and the TrueForce force feedback system is intricately integrated directly into the wheel assembly, making separation extremely challenging without specialized knowledge. While Logitech does not support wheel changes, some extremely advanced users have attempted custom modifications. These often involve physically cutting the original wheel rim from its hub. Such modifications typically require custom fabricated adapters, often created using three-dimensional printing and extensive soldering to reconnect the electronic components. This process is entirely irreversible and carries a very high risk of permanently damaging the wheel's functionality, durability, and overall performance. It is not recommended for the average user. If interchangeable wheels are a priority for your racing setup, it is generally more practical to consider purchasing a racing wheelbase from brands like Fanatic or Thrustmaster, which are specifically designed with quick-release systems. Alternatively, you can enhance your current G923 setup with third-party add-ons such as button boxes or upgraded pedal sets. Focusing on optimizing your existing G923 with software adjustments and proper mounting can also significantly improve your racing experience without risky modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.